Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Children, today I am going to teach the chapter of grammar, English grammar. Your book is English Grammar Mentor. Are you ready? English grammar, chapter number 2. And the topic is nouns. So you know what is noun? Everybody among you knows, right? What is noun? You will simply say noun is the name of a person, place or thing. That's why I didn't write the definition in here because you know it already. अब देखिए, noun कोई भी name, for example, yours name, your mother name, your father name, your brother name, your city name, your country name, your everybody's name, every city's name, every country name, river's name, they all are noun, right? On other hand, you are a girl, you are a boy, girl, also noun. You are in your book, right? Book is also a noun. Now, nouns, definition, you know. Now I am explaining the kinds of noun. You all know there are 5 kinds of noun. Which is number 1, proper noun. For example, your name is Ravi. Ravi is proper. Means proper noun describe the particular person name, particular place name, particular country name. That is proper noun. And one thing more important, proper noun always start with a capital letter. Many of you don't write the capital letter in the beginning of your name, right? You write Bundi, but you write small b. That is not right. Always write the capital letter in the name of a proper noun, in the beginning of a proper noun. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल हैं, आपको पता है. आपकी कंट्री का नाम देखिए आपके एग्जाम बुक में, सी इन योर बुक पेज नंबर 13. प्रॉपर नाउन जॉन, सीता, बेंगलोर, लाइक बूंदी, कोटा, बॉम्बे, इंडिया, एशिया, अमेरिका, गंगा, हिमालय. These all are noun. There are many monuments in the world. They all are proper noun. So, proper noun are used to name a specific person or place. Specific, विशेष, कोई स्पेशल, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का नाम. ऐसा जैसे मैं कहूँ cities, but city is not proper noun. City is not proper noun, but कोटा is proper. सभी city है, कोटा एक नेम है, तो कोटा proper noun है. But city, what city? City is common. Now I am explaining what are common nouns. You all are boys, you all are girls, right? So boy or girl, these are common nouns. You study in a school. When I say you study in Emmanuel Senior Secondary School, then the name of the school is proper noun. But when I say you study in a school, then school is common noun. Right? When I say you live in a city. City is common noun. But when I say you live in Bundi, then Bundi is proper noun. Now third is abstract noun. You know it? बच्चों, the things which we cannot see, which we cannot take, which we cannot give, only we can feel. We can only feel them. Then that is known as abstract noun. It means वो feeling, वो शब्द जो हम केवल महसूस करें, हम दे ना पाए, हम ले ना पाए, ठीक, हम खरीद ना पाए, हम बेच ना पाए, हम देख ना पाए, but feel करें. They are abstract noun. For example, he is an honest boy. Honest boy है वो. अब हम कहते हैं he has shown his honesty. One example more. Honesty is the best policy. You have listened this. Honesty. ईमानदारी. ईमानदारी हम खरीद नहीं सकते, हम दे नहीं सकते, हम ले नहीं सकते, हम देख नहीं सकते, हम फील कर सकते. Honesty is abstract now. Right? There are bravery. He is very brave. Brave है वो. He has shown his bravery. Our soldiers always show their bravery. Right? तो bravery एक kind of quality है. ठीक है बच्चों. तो ये हम फील करते हैं, हम खरीद सकते हैं कि हमने कहा कि हमें इतनी सारी bravery चाहिए. We can't do. Only we can show. We can feel. So bravery, freedom, and justice. There are lots of words which we can only feel. Beauty. Beauty is an abstract. Beauty किसी भी कोई हर बच्चा पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत दुलारा होता है, चाहे वो कैसा भी हो. हर माँ को अपना वो बच्चा बहुत ज्यादा प्यारा होता है, चाहे जैसा भी. उसके लिए वो मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल होगा दुनिया का सबसे सुंदर बच्चा हर माँ को अपना ही लगता है. ठीक है बच्चों. क्योंकि ये वो ब्यूटी मतलब फील, एक चीज जो कि वो फील कर रहे हैं. तो ब्यूटी इज ऑल्सो एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. अब देखिए जो वर्ड कलेक्शन के लिए यूज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स. यू आर सिटिंग इन अ क्लास. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कम इन द क्लास स्टैंडर्ड. क्लास मीन्स सारे बच्चों का ग्रुप. क्लास दैट इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आर्मी. आर्मी में सोल्जर्स हैं, कैप्टन्स हैं, मेजर हैं, बहुत सारे लोग, लेफ्टिनेंट, लॉट्स ऑफ देयर. बट दे कलेक्टिवली दे आर नोन एज आर्मी. इंडियन आर्मी. इंडियन आर्मी इज द super great, super brave, right? Isn't it? We are proud on our Indian Army. ठीक है ना बच्चों. हमें अपनी भारतीय सेना पर गर्व होना चाहिए. तो आर्मी. Then crew, flock, lots of words are there which are used as a collective noun. The last one is material noun. अब जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मटेरियल वस्तु किस चीज की बनी है, that is known as material noun. For example, water, iron, steel, gold, glass, plastic, wood, silver, bronze. These all are material nouns. Okay. For example, this ring is made of gold. So gold material. Right? Your book is made of paper. Right? Paper is material. And this whiteboard is made of what? I think it is made a kind of plastic. Plastic is also material. This saree is made of what? Made of polyester. Polyester is a material. These bangles are made of glass. Glass is material. So I hope you understood better. Now children, page number 13 in your book. There are written the definitions of all of these kinds. You will write them in your copy and turn the page now. They are given formation of abstract nouns. बच्चों जो ये abstract noun बनते हैं ना, तो वो verb से बनते हैं. कई बार noun से बन जाते हैं. देखते हैं कैसे बन रहे हैं. जैसे देखिए एग्जाम्पल, प्राइवेट, प्राइवेसी. प्राइवेसी ये हो गया एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. चाइल्ड, चाइल्डहुड. चाइल्डहुड इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्ट्रेंथ. ट्राई, ट्रायल. बरी, ब्यूरियल. These all are abstract nouns. Next table, anxious, anxiety. Flexible, flexibility. Cruel, cruelty. Certain, certainty. Captive, captivity. Scare, scarcity. Novel, novelty. Royal, royalty. These all are made by adding ty. Right? If you add ty, then the word will become abstract noun. Now we are adding ness, N-E-S-S, and then these word will become abstract noun like this. Good, goodness. Sad, sadness. Happy, happiness. Children, one thing, when you will add N-E-S-S in happy, then Y will be removed. Then there you will write I. Happiness. Aware, awareness. Unique, uniqueness. Aloof, aloofness. Blind, blindness. Holy, holiness. Again, Y has been removed and there I has come. Now, we are adding T-I-O-N. By adding T-I-O-N, also you can make abstract nouns. Act, action. Invent, invention. Perfect, perfection. Form, formation. Oppose, opposition. Imagine, imagination. Qualify, qualification. Bachcho, again look, Y has been removed and there I has come. Now next is age. You can add age as suffix. We are adding suffix. What a suffix means? Suffix are added in the end of the word and prefix are added in the beginning of the word. Right? So marry, marriage. Again children, Y has been removed and I has come here. Pilgrim, pilgrimage. Short, shortage. Broker, brokerage. Waste, wastage. Now dumb, D-O-M is going to be added. Free, freedom. Bore, boredom. Star, stardom. Martyr, martyrdom. King, kingdom. Wise, wisdom. Ends. We are adding now ends. Appear, appearance. Insure, insurance. Important, importance. Assist, assistance. Now we are adding hood. Mother, motherhood. Brother, brotherhood. Father, fatherhood. Child, childhood. False, falsehood. Now we are adding ship. Friend, friendship. Hard, hardship. Leader, leadership. King, kingship. Now we are adding ment, M-E-N-T, ment. Agree, agreement. Judge, judgment. Treat, treatment. Achieve, achievement. Employ, employment. Enjoy, enjoyment. Are you enjoying? बच्चों मजे करो. ग्रामर बहुत मजे करने की चीज, बहुत इजी, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज डेवलप, डेवलपमेंट. एंटरटेन, entertainment. Now we are adding I-O-N. Decide, decision. Abolish, abolition. बच्चों abolish means होता है खत्म करना, कोई चीज बिल्कुल खत्म कर देना. Admire, admiration. Digest, digestion. Possess, possession. Now we are adding TH. Born, birth. True, truth. Young, youth. Deep, depth. Warm, warmth. Wide, width. Long, length. Now the last is U-R-E. We are adding U-R-E. Fail, failure. Close, closer. Expose, exposure. Please, pleasure. Discover, discovery. Now we are adding Y. Discover, discovery. Honest, honesty. These all words are abstract nouns. Now some other example of abstract nouns are given here. बच्चों, a little bit change there. You have to look attentively. Advise. बच्चों, S. S has been removed. बच्चों, advise is a verb. And we remove S and put there C. Advise means abstract noun. Live, life. Speak, speech. Believe, believe. Proud, right. Choose, choice. Hate, hatred. Real, realism. Do, deed. Do means karna. What are you doing? What do you do in the morning? Do. Deed, calm. Know, knowledge. Way, wait. Proof, proof. These all are abstract noun with a little bit changing of the spellings. Okay. Now the last page has come now. Page number 18. I hope you have to do it yourself. Okay, children? So, you will do this exercise yourself with a pencil. And tomorrow I will give this exercise solution. Okay, children? So, it's over now. Take care and goodbye.